Hello YouTube, this is Handbasket. Here I have my system sensor HWLF. My system sensor PC2W-P. And my system sensor P1224MC. And to start off the video, I am going to pull the MS2. No change here. I actually kind of like this here. So yep, this is my SDI key. Okay. Now, to set it off using the smoke detector. Yeah, get a little too close to my mouth. That canned smoke does not taste good. Here we go. Yes, I do know it is a ceiling alarm, but the Spectral Advanced models, they are listed for both wall and ceiling. Sorry for the shakiness. So, this is Handbasket, signing off.